stand by for the latest advisory on Hurricane Debby, or on Tropical Storm Debby, NB9X. The latest advisory on Tropical Storm Debby from the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Debby is a little bit stronger. Hurricane and storm surge warnings now in effect for the Big Bend area of North Florida. As of 11 p.m., Debby is located at 24.4 north, 83.6 west, or about 260 miles south-southwest of Tampa. Maximum sustained winds have increased to 45 miles per hour. Movement to the northwest at 14, and minimum central pressure has dropped to 1,003 millibars. Debby is going to be a rainmaker, and the Weather Service believes 6 to 12 inches of rainfall is likely over most of west central and southwest of Florida. Higher amounts to the northern counties, little lesser to the southern counties, but that depends upon where you are when the feeder bands go through. At the present time, there is a flood watch in effect through Monday evening. If we get that much rain, there is likely to be area flooding where we have that kind of inundation, and that kind of flooding and that kind of rainfall can also cause river flooding beyond what is already anticipated. There are 3 river flood warnings out for Monday. They are in Hillsborough County for the Alafaya River at Riverview, the Mayaca River at Mayaca Head in Manatee County, and Horse Creek in DeSoto County. As the rain comes down and flood waters start draining off, it is possible additional rivers and streams will have warnings posted for them, and if they do, we will have that for you. In addition, the hurricanes and tropical storms tend to generate tornadoes. We have seen some of that activity this evening over on the southeast coast, but due to some inhibiting factors in the upper atmosphere, so far we have not seen that here in west central Florida. But the meteorologist at Ruskin, in fact, just provided a briefing about that. They are keeping a very close eye on this, and should there be any tornadic activity here in west central and southwest Florida, we will have that for you here on NI4CE. Again, all of the watches and warnings that were posted earlier remain in effect. Storm surge may be of greatest interest along the coastline. 4 to 7 feet of storm surge for Levy County and northward, 3 to 5 feet of storm surge in Citrus and Hernando County, and south of Arapahoe, storm surge expected 2 to 4 feet along the coast, as well as Tampa Bay and Charlotte Harbor. Our next full advisory will be at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow morning. NB9X at 10:58.
Hey, Paul, I will say it's sprinkling out here in Fairground. Katie, for you,